If you're experiencing audio desync issues in Minecraft, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Follow these steps to improve your audio experience in the game. Step 1. Check audio settings. Open Minecraft and navigate to the audio settings. Ensure that the master volume and other sound options are set appropriately. Sometimes, adjusting these settings can help synchronize audio better. Step 2. Update audio drivers. Make sure your audio drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your sound card manufacturer or use a driver update tool to download and install the latest drivers. Updated drivers can resolve compatibility issues that may cause audio desync. Step 3. Adjust game performance settings. Lowering the graphics settings in Minecraft can improve overall performance, which may help with audio sync. Go to the video settings and reduce render distance, graphics quality, and other performance-related options. Step 4. Check background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Some programs can consume system resources and affect Minecraft's performance, leading to audio desync. Use the Task Manager to identify and close these applications. Step 5. Reinstall Minecraft. If the issue persists, consider reinstalling Minecraft. Uninstall the game completely and then download and install the latest version from the official website. This can resolve any corrupted files that may be causing audio problems. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate audio desync in Minecraft. Enjoy your gaming experience.